Today I'm sharing a flip through of my completed January junk journal, and I'm also going to show you some works in progress journals made from golden books. I'm Emilee, and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So I filled this January junk journal. It's an accordion style junk journal. I showed the setup of this in another video, which I'll link to up in the card. On every page, I've used sequins. I have my Dollar Tree container full of sequins, and I'm trying to use these up. There seems to be an endless supply of sequins from just 2 $1 packs of sequins. It's amazing. For the cover, I used a box from an advent calendar that was filled with jellies, and I just really had fun using supplies on hand to create this album. The day 1 prompt was New Beginnings. Day 2 was Little Moments, so I talked about the little bird that came to our window feeder. Torn Edges, I created this snowman from paper scraps. Day 4 was Stickers, so I created some sticker art by hanging the mittens on a swag. Day 5 was Fabric, so I used these felt embellishments. 6 was Inspiration, so I used this quote from Audrey Hepburn. 7 was Positive Vibes, so I used a couple of little 2x2 pocket cards. Day 8 was Floral, so I used another pocket card here and then used some floral die cuts. Day 9 was Sepia, so I used things with orange tone. Day 10 was Pop of Color, so I had fun with the bright stickles here, and then there's a little corner pocket where I've journaled here and created a tag for the tuck spot. Day 11 was Stamp. Day 12 was Quote. 13 was Dreamy. 14 was Tickets and Tags, so I've used some raffle tickets, and couple of old scratch-off lottery tickets, and some tags. And day 15 was Muted, so I had some fun experimenting with watercolors. I added white and gray and black, and that was kind of a fun exercise. Then, because it's an accordion journal, you can just keep flipping. Day 16 was Musical, so I used some music paper, a chipboard note, and then this was in a Happy Meal, and I thought it was really cute. There's a movie out about, it's an animated movie, and this is a character from that. I think it's cute because he's playing the piano, which is perfect for musical. Day 17 was Hand Lettering, so to tie in the 2 pages, I said I hand lettered Music Makes the World Go Round. Day 18 was Snail Mail, so I sketched a little snail carrying an envelope, and then I had some pattern paper and I cut them out as stamps. Day 19 is Scented, so I used this die cut rose. A rose by any other name would smell as sweet. Day 20 was Simplicity, so I said keep it simple, silly. Now I'm a little out of order on the next few pages. Day 22 was pockets. I created a side pocket here with some journaling, and I created these tags with images from an old children's book, The Wizard of Oz. Day 21 was antique, and these images from the children's book, they're definitely antique, so that's how I tied that in. And then favorite book was prompt 23, and I chose The Wizard of Oz as a favorite book. Day 24 was junk mail, so I cut this background. It actually goes across 2 pages from a postcard mailer. I thought it was really pretty, and so I used it across the 2 pages. The prompt for day 25 was paperclip, so I've added a paperclip and I've got a little bit of journaling inside here. There's more of those sequins. I hope you're noticing there's sequins on almost every page. I think probably every page. I had a lot of fun using them. Day 26 is growth. Learn something every day. And I just thought this snowman in the hot cocoa mug was so cute, and he was cut from a Christmas card. Prompt for day 27 was memories, so I'm using a photo of my younger daughter and I, and there's a little tag here with some journaling about when that photo was taken. Day 28 was rest. Relax was a tag, and I've created this tag using an image from an old children's book. Day 29 was hope, and this card says discover a purpose that gives you passion. Day 30 was joy, and this was also from a Christmas card that I received this year. And the prompt for day 31 was thankful. So I have a rub-on here that said there's always something to be thankful for. I put the daily prompts right here so that I can refer to that, and that was helpful as I work day to day on these prompts. And back to the beginning. So as you can see, I'm using stash on hand here and using some scrapbook supplies and card making supplies into the junk journaling. I find that this is a creative outlet for me, and it really helps me be more creative in my scrapbooking, and it's just a fun daily thing to do. Now let's talk about the little golden books. I'll link down in the description to the video where I followed her directions, and this is what the golden books look like before they've been altered. And what I've done is just pulled the front and back cover off and cut the pages out to create these journals. These are not quite done. In fact, I need to go get another ring, but I made 3 of these. This is for my friend Renee. She chose the little red hen. The tail of Peter Rabbit will be for me. I think this will be like a springtime junk journal. And then my sister chose the Mickey Mouse Mother Goose. So I will just flip through one of these so you can see they're similar, and I need to still finish these off. I will add some ribbon to decorate the rings, and then on the inside I've got some tags and craft bags that I'm getting to embellish with some additional pages. But I'm just leaving this. It says this was given to Monica from her Aunt Fluffy in September of 2004. I think that adds some character to the book. All the pages of the book are still here, and then I've added pages that you can journal or you could art journal on the additions to the pages. I think the illustrations And the poems for this Mother Goose are just adorable. Here is a journal page, a pocket. There's a pocket on the inside too. So you can put something here. I've just pulled some coloring book pages to add to the pockets for now. Here's an envelope with a little color page, and the outside of the envelope can be embellished or art journal, some scrapbook paper, a journal page, with a nice blank spot here for art journaling or journaling. Some more scrapbook paper, a cute note page, a half sheet of scrapbook, another note page, more scrapbook paper that's two-sided, another pocket. So there's a pocket in the middle and pockets on both sides. The video that I linked to down in the description shows how to make these. This is one of the things I really like the most about these books, and the other video shows you exactly how to do this. So you can see I've used a lot of my scrapbooking stash to create these. It's another envelope. These can be filled with scrapbook items or art journaling or photos. It's really whatever floats your boat. It's a great stash buster to use your supplies on hand. So just another idea for a type of journal you can create with your scrapbooking supplies. Keep on scrapping, everybody.